Why you're not getting your two-car garage epoxied for $900 or less. For a professional epoxy floor, a lot goes into it. Doing it yourself is not as easy as it may seem. Let's run through what you're going to need. Number one, high-quality epoxy. The kits from the big box stores for $250 are not going to cut it. You're going to need a primer. Yes, a primer, and you're going to need two kits at $450 at least, 10 mils thick. Now you're going to need your high solid epoxy and a high quality one at 10 mils thick. It's going to cost you about $450. Now you need your flake. For a fully flaked floor, it's going to cost you about $300, give or take. Now you need the clear coat. Did we mention you have about 15 minutes or less to do this? Oh, and it's going to cost you, if you want to do it right, for a good durable clear coat, add $800. Let's not forget the tools. You're going to need a grinder. You cannot pressure wash, acid wash, or sand your concrete floor. You can rent a grinder if you know how to use it, add $250. You're also going to need a vacuum. You're also going to need spiked shoes, roller covers, rags, solvents, rolling pole, brushes, tape, garbage bags, mixers, and the list goes on and on. It's actually going to cost you more to do it yourself than to hire someone, even if you do it right.